1. 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer V8 Hemi 270 automatic, $8,900, San Rafael, California. This 1955 Dodge Royal Lancer is a beautiful original car with a clean body and a great running Hemi engine. It features the classic V8 Hemi 270 engine paired with an automatic transmission, a clean title, and 109,000 miles on the odometer. The black paint is decent, but the cream color didn't hold up as well. There's no rust on the body, and the front seat has been redone, while the rear seat remains original and in great shape. Recent work includes a fresh rebuild of the original Carter 4-barrel carburetor, a new radiator, new spark plugs, wires, and fresh tires. The car runs well, but needs some brake work. It's a great opportunity for someone looking to restore a classic car with minimal rust and a solid engine. 2. 1956 Studebaker Powerhawk, 9,900, Bowman, North Dakota. This 1956 Studebaker Powerhawk is a charming classic with a 259 V8 engine, manual transmission, and 99,000 miles. It's mostly original, featuring a 3-speed manual transmission with overdrive and manual steering and brakes. The body is in excellent condition, with clean glass and a solid frame. There's a bit of rust beginning on the front floor, but it's minor. The car is equipped with a new factory wiring harness and several new parts, making it a solid choice for someone looking for a project car with great potential for restoration. Three. 1950s Willys CJ3A Jeep 305 V8, 9,750, Morongo Valley, California. This custom-built 1950s Willys CJ3A Jeep is a rugged off-road vehicle designed for serious off-roading. It features a recently rebuilt 305 Chevrolet engine, an Edelbrock manifold, and a new exhaust system. The Jeep has been upgraded with power steering, power brakes, and a rebuilt 3-speed transmission. It also includes a custom rear bumper, all-terrain tires, a Badlands ZXR 9000 electric winch, and a reinforced frame. The Jeep is in excellent condition and ready for off-road adventures, making it a perfect vehicle for someone passionate about Jeeping and custom builds. Ford 1958 Chevrolet, $9,500, Newburgh, Oregon. This 1958 Chevrolet Delray is a project car, priced at $9,500. It features a 348 cubic inch engine with a 230 horsepower tri-power setup, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The car has been partially restored, with the body painted recently, though it needs finishing touches, including a new headliner, seat upholstery, and electrical work. The engine turns over, but the car hasn't been started recently. It's a great candidate for someone who enjoys completing classic car projects. 1965 Thunderbird, $3,200, Chehalis, Washington. This 1965 Thunderbird has a 390 V8 engine and a smooth-running motor. The car is in fair condition with 50,000 miles on the odometer. Recent upgrades include a new Edelbrock carburetor, electronic ignition conversion, and new front-end suspension components. The car has been partially restored, but it still needs some attention, such as a new starter, tie rod ends, and repairs to the steering column. The body is mostly straight, with some minor damage to the rear bumper. This classic car could be a great restoration project for someone willing to invest the time and effort into it. 6. 1964 Malibu Chevelle Wagon, $5,500, Vancouver, Washington. This 1964 Malibu Chevelle Wagon is powered by a 327 V8 engine and a turbo 350 transmission. The car has 134,000 miles on the odometer and features custom Pro-Car low-back bucket seats. The body is mostly original, with some dents and dings, but very little rust. The floor pans have been replaced, and it has a dual exhaust with glass packs. This is a great project car for someone looking for a solid classic wagon that needs some work but has strong mechanical potential. 1974 Cadillac Coupe DeVille, $6,500, Huntington Beach, California. This 1974 Cadillac Coupe DeVille is in excellent mechanical condition, featuring a 472 V8 engine with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The car has only 55,431 miles and has been well maintained, starting up easily and running smoothly. The body is rust-free, though the interior shows some wear due to the heat. The car is equipped with an aftermarket double-din head unit and 3 12-inch subs in the trunk. Recent work includes new tires and brakes. This Cadillac is a perfect choice for someone looking for a smooth driving classic with a luxurious feel. 8. 1973 Jeep Commando, 8,000, Arlington, Washington. This 1973 Jeep Commando is powered by a 258 cubic inch straight-six engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. The car has been well preserved and runs excellently. It's a stock, original vehicle with only 19,000 miles, although the odometer has likely rolled over. The Jeep is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a classic 4x4 SUV with a rugged personality and solid mechanicals. Its stock condition and solid body make it a perfect candidate for someone who values originality. (1979) Pontiac Bonneville Landau, $6,500, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1979 Pontiac Bonneville Landau is in great condition, with only 59,199 miles on the odometer. It's all original, with recent updates including new tires, a new windshield, and a new carburetor. The body is in very good shape and the car runs great. This classic is a good option for someone looking for a reliable, comfortable car with potential for a full restoration. (1979) Cadillac Eldorado, 3,500, San Jacinto, California. This 1979 Cadillac Eldorado is priced at $3,500 and has 60,716 miles on the odometer. It's in good condition but has been parked for a couple of years. The car runs with a new battery and some fresh fuel. The interior is in average condition with a cracked dashboard, and the vinyl top shows wear. The car needs some work, including the installation of a new master cylinder and possibly fixing the air conditioning. This Eldorado is an excellent project car for a Cadillac enthusiast. 11. 1971 Datsun 510 Wagon, $13,000, Portland, Oregon. This 1971 Datsun 510 Wagon is a well-maintained classic with only 43,000 miles. The car has been daily driven since 2017 and has been reliable over the years, with only minor issues such as non-working turn signals. The body is in decent condition with some small rust spots and a few blemishes. The car runs smoothly and is ready for a long road trip without mechanical issues. This Datsun 510 is perfect for someone looking for a unique, reliable classic car to enjoy as a daily driver. 12. 1970 Plymouth 440 Wagon, $12,500, Laguna Beach, California. This 1970 Plymouth 440 Wagon is a rare Mopar survivor with plenty of patina. The car is powered by a high-compression 440 engine with a dual snorkel air cleaner and factory dual exhaust. The body is rust-free and dry, with original seats and door panels in great condition. The car is a special ordered vehicle with unique features like power windows and a tow package. While it's in good condition, it does need some attention, such as freeze plugs and general servicing from its time in storage. This Plymouth wagon is perfect for someone looking for a rare classic with a lot of potential.